For Tamil women to deliver today's திருக்குறள். இன்றைய திருக்குறள். தக்கார் தகவலர் என்பது அவரவர் எச்சத்தால் காணப்படும் பொருள். நடுவு நிலைமை உடையவர் நடுவு நிலைமை இல்லாதவர் என்பது அவரவர் பின் எஞ்சி நிற்கும் புகழினாலும் பழியினாலும் அறியப்படும். நன்றி.
Thank you, Tamil Kumaran. Now I would like to call Ashwin to deliver today's star.
Today's star. Everything is important for our life. I repeat once again. Everything is important for our life. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashwin. Now I would like to call Harish to ask today's GK questions.
Today's GK question. Which organ works 24 hours? Repeat once again. Which organ is lived after death? I repeat once again. Which organ is lived after death? Correct answer. What is the hottest organ in the body? Very wrong. Correct answer. Thank you, God.
I would like to call Mahajani to deliver today's star.
Today's proverb, all the glitters is not gold. I repeat once again, all the glitters is not gold. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Harish to read today's headline news.
Today's news, international news. 290 humanitarian aid drug center Gaza trip. National news, Bangladesh border guard delegation arrived in India for talks with BSF. Sports news, Neymar scored first goal since returning to Santos in Brazil in big relief to start. Thank you all.
Bird wishes.